How to delete all Google Photos at once. So, for that, first of all, open up your browser and then in the search bar, search for photos.google.com and then sign in to your Google account. While you can delete photos on your mobile, using a computer makes deleting everything much easier. So, for that, first of all, you have to go ahead and simply select the first photo and then you have to press Shift key in your keyboard and then scroll below until the very end and then simply select the end photo right over here, and just like that, as you can see, all the photo are now selected. Now all that's left is to tap on the trash button, then tap on move to trash. Keep in mind that your photos are not permanently deleted yet. To remove it permanently, you can simply tap on the trash button and then simply click on empty bin if you would like to permanently remove them immediately. Otherwise, Google automatically deletes the item from the bin after 60 days. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.